Oh, I'm ready for school.
What the? Where's Kyle? Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Where's Greg? You know what? It doesn't matter. He's late every day. Come on.
Oh my head. Chemicals can be reversed.
Oh, teacher, right here, teacher. Well, actually, your hypothesis is wrong, because chemical reactions cannot be reversed, because the atoms are bonded together and actually fractured the DNA, which means it cannot be reversed. But physical reactions can actually be reversed, because it's not bonded together.
Shut up, Kyle.
Ow.
Stop. What's happening here? Hey, wait. What were you doing? Get to my office now.
No.
Tell me, teacher.
You're fired.
But
You're fired.
he messed up the wait.
Well, come here. You're coming with me.
He did it too.
He's getting us.
What did I do?
Come here.
Ow, that's my ear. Ow, no. Get over here. Ow, stop that. Ow.
We didn't do anything.
I'm gonna tell
No, please.
I want a lawyer.
You take no. We're gonna have to talk to your. We're gonna have to talk to your law enforcement. Get your dumb selves over here.
I'm getting my lawyer to sue you.
Parents.
Ow, come on.
No. Come on,
I'm gonna tell the principal about this.
I am the principal. Let's go.
Ow.
Ow.
Yo, go sit over there. Teacher, come down here.
Yes, Mr. Principal.
Let's talk outside.
Sorry, I was just up there.
What you did was unacceptable. I know everyone hates Kyle, and I agree with that, but you're a teacher. I am still talking. Anyways, I know. Everyone hates Kyle, but you can't bully the kid. You're a teacher. What do you think's gonna happen? They're just gonna get like a 1-day suspension. You're gonna get fired. What's that gonna look like on your reputation?
Nothing. Ow, man. I'm sorry, man.
You're fired! All of you guys are in big trouble. Kyle, get over here.
Ah, shucks.
Kyle, because you're Kyle, you're in detention.
What?
Everyone hates you.
Oh, man.
Now get back over there.
Okay.
Greg, you're next. Come over here. I know everyone hates Kyle. I do too. But, bullying is not accepted in this school.
Yeah, but I really wanted to, and you guys rushed me to wake up today because I was really late.
Well, that's your own problem because you probably should have woke up earlier. Okay, you can go sit down.
3.
Jimmy, get over here. You're next.
Yeah.
Everyone hates Kyle. Look at him. That big old forehead, those glasses, and those buck teeth.
Yep, I see it.
And he's also a nerd.
What? My forehead's not that big, and I don't have that much.
Shut up! You look like
And
KSI.
you're all out of him. Punch him in the forehead.
Oh.
What? Oh, what? Ow!
Back
I
here.
just pushed myself.
Bullying is not
Oh,
acceptable.
hi, Greg.
What did you eat? That smells
It's
amazing.
acceptable. What's happening? You're not worried about that?
Greg is being weird again. This happens all
You're
the
the
time.
worst. I hate you.
I got violated.
Can I go now?
I'm going to my boss.
Where is he?
No.
Can I go now?
He can never find me in here. They can never find me in here.
I'll talk to you guys individually. You guys are in detention, but let's go to HR. Come on, guys.
Ah, poop. My mama's gonna be mad.
Come on.
Oh, me, not again.
Come on. Right in that cell. Go.
Oh, man.
You too, Greg.
Wait, guys, I'm already in detention. Ow, wow. Ow.
It's all your fault.
Wait. Wait, you guys hear that?
Oh, no, please.
Looks like HR got to them before I did.
Yes! Hey! I took so long to film this video! It took an hour, maybe two. I don't know, cause I just took a poo. Oh, let me get the fungus in between your toes. Where does it go? Yeah, nobody knows. Yeah. Yeah, these are the credits. Enjoy them. It's awesome. Like the video.